Our story is all about the importance of peace. Without peace, there's no life. Because without peace, no one can go to work, no one can go to school, no one can build businesses, you cannot raise kids, you cannot do anything without peace. My name is Tarek Haddad and I'm originally from Damascus. My father started the chocolate business in Syria in 1986. The company was growing very fast. One morning, I heard in the news that there are going to be some explosions and bombs in the area that the factory was. We lost everything, basically. We lost the factory, we lost the house. In a blink of an eye, our whole lives in Syria was destroyed. So we decided to leave the country. We started thinking about moving to a country that will give us the human rights, the freedom, and the opportunity to live again. That was absolutely Canada. Canadians are very well known being nice, but Antigonish is extra nice. They came to the airport to welcome me, and they were carrying flowers and signs. They were saying, "Welcome to Canada, Tarek." Being welcomed this way really made me feel more confident to launch my life again here in Canada with my family. Building the chocolate business again was a big thing for us because the chocolate is our own way to be grateful for everyone here. That's exactly where we were inspired to call the company Peace by Chocolate. We are trying with every piece of chocolate to reflect something about the culture that we brought to Canada. That's the mission. When we went to the farmers market, we were very surprised. We saw a line of 200 people, they were waiting for us, and we were sold out in 15 minutes. All right, you are ready? That really gave us the first sense of pride of what we are making here in this country. Google Search is a great platform for us to find suppliers, vendors, and Google My Business drives almost 60 to 70% of the visitors to our storefront in Antigonish. Peace by Chocolate has shipped and produced millions of chocolate pieces across the country and across the world. We try to support local community by offering jobs and hiring from the local community. Peace by Chocolate now hires more than 35 employees. We are here to give back. I have done more than 400 speeches across the country. Hello everyone, hi! I really love people to realize the importance of small businesses in every community. Newcomers and immigrants, they are very motivated to translate their skills and experience. Without using Google, Peace by Chocolate would not have had this level of success. Chocolate always gathers and brings people together. Would you like to try a peace bar?
Thank you very much.
This is also for you. Thank you. Enjoy it. With a piece of chocolate, you can open a connection with everyone.
I have 2 boxes of that at my cottage.
Oh, really? That's awesome. It's about the people, about the hello that I receive every time I walk on Main Street with my family.
Yeah, keep up the good work.
Oh, thank you
You're
so
doing
much.
great things.
Thank you so much. My family feels safe. We are not refugees anymore. We are new Canadians. Antigonish is really the real meaning for home for me now. As a place, it's beautiful. With its people, it's courageous. I would say it's the most peaceful place on earth.